National Weather Service in Chaska has issued a tornado warning for north-central Hennepin County in east-central Minnesota, southeastern Anoka County in east-central Minnesota, eastern Ramsey County in east-central Minnesota until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Brooklyn Park, or 10 miles north of Minneapolis, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shoreview, Blaine, Lino Lakes, Camel Lake, Hugo, Forest Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.